Android 17 QPR2 Beta 1 is now rolling out to eligible Google Pixel devices. This release focuses primarily on bug fixes and stability improvements, with few changes. Let's see what's changes and major bug fixes in Android 17 QPR2 Beta 1 update. To check for the update, open the app drawer to your Pixel phone. Tap the Settings app. Scroll down and tap on System. Tap Software Updates. You can see the Update Available message at the top. Tap System Update. You can see the system update available in your Pixel device Android 17 QPR2 Beta 1. Build number CP41.260701.005. Update size 440 megabytes. Tap Download and Install to install the latest Android 17 Beta update to your Google Pixel device. After updating your Pixel phone, you can see below given minor changes. 1. Keyboard vibration slider is back. Go to Settings. Tap on Sound and Vibration. Tap Vibration and Haptics. At the end, you can see the slider for keyboard vibration. Before this update, you can see the toggle button. 2. Cinnamon Bun instead of Android 17. You can see Change the name in the storage settings. Go to Settings. Scroll down and tap Storage. At the end, you can see the Android 17 name replaced with the Cinnamon Bun. 3. Settings, Widgets. You can individually add the widgets on your home screen. Long press on the blank space on the home screen and tap Widgets. Tap Browse. Scroll down and tap Settings. Tap Settings Shortcuts. Tap Add. Select any option you want to add shortcut to home screen like Display and Touch or Battery. You can quickly access that shortcuts from the home screen. That's an amazing feature. And that's all new update. Check out the link in the description to view 8 major bug fixes list for your Google Pixel device. Should you install it? If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel for more Android 17 and Pixel updates, and I'll see you in the next one.